Hi everyone, I'm Anxi, a fourth-year student in the Department of Transportation Management. Today my presentation topic is the mass rapid transit. Since the MRT is the most frequently used mode of transportation in Taipei, understanding its operation and the characteristics is essential for us as transit students. First, a quick introduction. As I mentioned, I'm a senior in transportation management. I chose the MRT system for my topic because it is deeply tied to our daily lives here. Whether it's for commuting to work or school, almost everyone in Taipei relies on it. Understanding how this massive system functions is highly relevant and important for all of us. Why I chose Gemini? While preparing for this project, I decided to use Gemini as my AI assistant. There are three main reasons for this. First, it offers superior accuracy, especially in image recognition and logical reasoning. Second, it's a reliable learning tool with lower error rates. And third, it is highly detailed and adaptive, giving me flexible and comprehensive answers based on my needs. How can Gemini help me? So, how exactly did Gemini help me? It assisted me in three major ways. First, data processing. It helped me gather and organize core transit information. Second, accurate translation. It did a great job translating my thoughts from Chinese to English. And finally, sentence polishing. It refined the vocabulary and the grammar to make the presentation flow much better. What is the MRT system? Now, let's look at MRT system itself. By definition, the MRT is a high-capacity electric railway network designed for urban and suburban public transportation. Its key feature is that it operates on exclusive rights of way, either underground or on elevated tracks. Because it runs completely separated from regular street traffic, it can move massive volumes of passengers quickly and reliably. Now, let's talk about MRT basic function. The MRT serves three basic functions in a city. The first is mass transit, moving thousands of passengers reliably during peak hours. Second, it reduces congestion by taking cars and scooters off the roads, which also helps lower carbon emissions. Lastly, it provides urban connectivity efficiently, linking residential areas, business districts, and major transit hubs together. Characteristics of the MRT system. Let's talk about the key characteristics of the system, starting with the first. Number one is its service features. It offers high frequency, high capacity, and a highly punctual service. Number two is the target users, which primarily include daily commuters, students, shoppers, and tourists. Number three is the routes and the infrastructure, meaning it utilizes underground tunnels or elevated tracks to connect major urban zones. Continuing with the characteristics. Number four is the technology, running on electric powertrains, automatic signaling, automatic train control for safety, and the smart electronic ticketing. Number five represents the advantages such as driving economic development around its stations and the easing traffic jams. Finally, the number six outlines the challenges. It requires massive initial construction costs, high ongoing maintenance expenses, and faces extreme crowd rushes during rush hours. Hong Kong MRT introduction. Next, let's look at two major case studies to compare their operations. The first one is the Hong Kong NTR. It opened in 1979 to tackle extreme road congestion in one of the world's most densely populated cities. Today, the system spans over 270 meters across heavy rail, light rail, and high-speed links, carrying over 5 million passengers every single weekday. As you see from the map, the MTR network densely covers Hong Kong Island and the new territories. What makes the MTR globally famous is its unique rail plus property model. The government grants land development rights around and above stations to the MTR Corporation. MTR then partners with developers to build residential towers and shopping malls directly integrated with the currency hubs, making the system highly profitable and self-financing. The advantage of the Hong Kong MTR include world-class efficiency, maintaining an exceptional 99.9% on-time rate, and the handling for over 50% of daily public transit trips. However, it also faces challenges. Managing extreme peak crowding puts constant pressure on station staff. Also, because the network operates nearly 20 hours a day, finding maintenance windows for its aging infrastructure is a major challenge. Taipei Metro. Our second case study is the Taipei Metro, which opened its first line in 1996 to tackle severe traffic jams caused by cars and scooters. Today, it connects Taipei City and the New Taipei City into a massive network with multiple lines like the blue, red, green, orange, and the brown lines. It operates on a hub-and-spoke model using major transport stations like Taipei Main Station to let passengers switch lines easily. Taipei Metro's primary users are daily commuters traveling from New Taipei City into central business districts. Thousands of the students and the leisure travel or tourists. Its biggest strengths are world-famous cleanliness and safety, maintained by a strict ban on food and drinks, as well as high reliability and easy integration with the Easy Card. On the downside, it suffers from severe peak congestion at major transfer hubs, and the low ticket fares create financial pressure, making it hard to cover rising operation costs purely through passenger revenue. Let's compare the two systems. In terms of key similarities, both are globally praised for 99.9% punctuality. Both were built to rescue their capitals from traffic jams, and both use highly intuitive smart cards. However, their core differences are clear. Financially, Hong Kong is completely self-sustaining through its rail plus property model, while Taipei relies heavily on government subsidies due to low fares. In station culture, Hong Kong is highly commercialized, whereas Taipei is famous for its calm environment and the strict food ban. Lastly, Hong Kong citizens rely almost entirely on transit, while Taipei shares its commuters with a massive local scooter culture. What we can learn and Taipei's uniqueness. How can Taiwan learn from Hong Kong? First, we should enhance our TOD, transit-oriented development model, by adopting the rail plus property approach more aggressively to generate revenue for future expansion. Second, we need to diversify our financial income through station retail and advertising. At the same time, Taipei has its own unique strengths. Our strict food ban has created a world-renowned culture of spa-less stations. Moreover, Taipei Metro focuses on public welfare, offering highly affordable fares and a much calmer, less stressful commuting environment. To conclude, the MRT is an essential urban backbone that effectively relieves congestion, while Taipei excels in station cleanliness and comfortable. Hong Kong shows incredible financial sustainability for Taiwan's future lies. We can improve financial independence through better public partnerships. On a personal note, this project helped me analyze transit system from both on a local and international lens. It also taught me how to use AI tools like Gemini effectively to gather data and polish my presentation. The final page lists my references and AI statements. Thank you for listening.